Want to start passive income in 2025 but have no idea where to begin? Look, I get it. Everyone talks about passive income like it's this magical money tree, but nobody tells you how to actually plant the seeds. Well, consider this video your step-by-step guide. We're going to break down a clear 5-step plan that anyone can follow, even if you're starting from scratch, and even if you can only spare a few hours a week. We're talking about building sustainable income streams that work for you, not the other way around. Sound good? Let's dive in. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is that they're chasing quick wins. They're looking for that one viral video, that lucky break, that lottery ticket that's going to make them rich overnight. But here's the thing. Passive income isn't about luck or being a genius, it's about building systems. Think of it like building a house. You don't just start throwing bricks on top of each other and hope for the best. You need a solid foundation, a blueprint, a plan. That's what we're doing here. We're creating a system that can generate income consistently, without you needing to trade your time for money every single day. It's about putting in the work up front to create something that can work for you, even while you sleep. And the best part is, once you have that system in place, it can continue to generate income for months, years, even decades to come. So, how do we build this system? It all starts with shifting your mindset. Instead of chasing short-term gains, focus on building something sustainable. Focus on creating value, on solving problems, on building an audience that trusts you. Because when you have that, the money will follow. The online world is a noisy place. There's a million different platforms, a million different gurus telling you to be everywhere at once. But here's the truth. You don't need to be everywhere. In fact, trying to be everywhere is the fastest way to burn out and get zero results. Instead of spreading yourself thin, pick one platform that aligns with your strengths and interests. Are you a natural storyteller? Start a blog or a newsletter? Do you love being on camera? YouTube or TikTok is your jam. More of a visual person? Try Pinterest or Instagram. Enjoy organizing and problem solving? Sell Notion templates or digital planners. The key here is to choose one thing and commit to it for the next 90 days. No distractions, no shiny object syndrome, just laser focus on mastering that one platform. Chapter 3. Step 3. Build the micro habit that compounds your success. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I don't have time to be building a business on top of my already busy life. And you know what? You're right. You don't need a ton of time. You just need to be consistent. Instead of trying to find hours in your day, focus on building a micro habit. Just 30 minutes a day. That's it. Write one paragraph for your blog post. Shoot one short video for YouTube. Create one page of your digital product. 30 minutes might not seem like much, but it adds up fast. Think about it. 30 minutes a day is over 180 hours a year. That's more than enough time to create something incredible. The key is to show up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Even when you're tired. Even when you're not sure what to create. Just keep showing up, and the results will compound over time. Chapter 4. Step 4. Monetize early. Money is feedback. Here's a mistake I see a lot of creators make. They wait too long to monetize. They think they need a massive following, a perfect product, or 1 million subscribers before they can start charging for their work. But here's the thing. You don't. In fact, monetizing early is one of the best things you can do for your business. Why? Because money is feedback. When someone is willing to pay for your product or service, it tells you that you're on the right track. It validates your idea, it gives you the confidence to keep going, and it provides you with the resources to reinvest in your business. So how do you monetize early? Add a Gumroad link to your bio. Set up a Ko-Fi account. Offer an ebook or a template. You don't need a complicated sales funnel or a fancy website. Just start small, experiment, and see what works. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick. The goal is to get feedback, to validate your idea, and to start building a sustainable business. Chapter 5. Step 5. Automate and scale your freedom. Alright, so you've built your system, you're creating content consistently, and you're starting to see some income come in. Now it's time to scale. But here's the catch. Scaling doesn't mean working harder, it means working smarter. It means using tools and systems to automate the repetitive tasks, so you can focus on the things that actually move the needle in your business. Use Notion to organize your content, Zapier to automate your workflows, and MailerLite to build your email list. Repurpose your content across different platforms. Automate your product delivery. Outsource the tasks that are draining your time and energy. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building leverage. You're creating a system that can generate income without you needing to be there every step of the way. And that, my friends, is true freedom. Build your freedom one system at a time. Look, building passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating systems that work for you, not the other way around. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every piece of content you create, every product you launch, every email you automate, it's all building towards that bigger vision of freedom. If you want more actionable strategies on productivity, digital tools, and building smart income streams, hit that subscribe button below. I'll see you in the next one. Passive income isn't magic. It's just systems plus time. Start small, stay consistent, and build your own freedom. Subscribe for weekly strategies on productivity, digital tools, and smart income.